Brushing your teeth twice a day can help you keep your teeth white and healthy. But it's not as good as an 8-second ancient mineral ritual that you can do at home right now. Look, this is a dental photo of a 51-year-old Inuit woman living in a remote region of the Arctic. She has never been to the dentist once, has never flossed or used a water pick, has never even brushed her teeth a single time in her entire life. And yet she has better teeth than almost 99.9% of Americans. And it's not just her. Researchers found every member of her tribe had perfect teeth, even though none of them did a single thing to take care of them. How is this possible? How can they have perfect teeth when most people struggle with tooth pain, yellow teeth, cavities, root canals, and gum infections? Actually, it has nothing to do with brushing your teeth after every meal, flossing until your gums bleed, or how often you visit your dentist, or even how much sugar you eat. Instead, it's related to a simple and safe 8-second mineral ritual done before bedtime that researchers from the University of Harvard have recently found, which has been handed down from generation to generation by the residents of this remote Inuit tribe that have some of the healthiest and most perfect teeth on Earth. I urge you, stop everything you're doing and click the link below to watch a short, free special video. That'll show you exactly how you can start using this method today. If it's already worked for thousands of people, it can also transform your smile, your mouth, and your health. Even if you've been fighting decay and inflammation for 5, 10, or even 20 years. Imagine a white smile, no bad breath, no more awful metallic blood taste in your mouth, throbbing tooth pain, and best of all, never having to step foot into a dental office ever again. The billion-dollar dental industry does not want you to see this video and discover the fastest, most powerful gum and teeth rejuvenating secret on the planet. Click below and watch it before it's too late.